Welcome to Edulit Points.
तो पहले यह जानते हैं कि आखिर इंग्लिश वर्ड आया कहां से। एक्चुअल में 7th सेंचुरी में इंग्लिश वर्ड जो कि आज हम इंग्लिश पढ़ते हैं ब्रिटेन कंट्री की कम्युनिटी या सोशल ग्रुप्स इन विच फर्स्ट इज एंगल्स, सेकंड इज सैटन्स एंड थर्ड वन जूट्स की लैंग्वेज को डिनोट करने के लिए यूज किया जाता था, जो बाद में ब्रिटेन की आल कम्युनिटीज को डिनोट करने के लिए इंग्लिश फॉर्म में यूज किया जाने लगा। So let's take a look on what is sound. Sounds are vibrations that travel through the air or another medium and can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Sound is small than a letter. There are two types of sound. One is vowel sound and another is consonant sound. So now, let's tell you basics of English language. Start with sound. English language में, as you know, two sounds होते हैं, in which one is vowel sound in which our full breath come out and second is consonant sound in which less breath and vibrations come out from our mouth. Vowel sound में हिंदी के letters अ से तक को include किया जाता है, जबकि consonant sound में क से ग तक को include किया जाता है। So let's know, what is letter? A letter is small character, unit of sound and we can say it within block of language. There are 26 letters, A to Z, in English language. After that we know what is alphabet. Alphabet is a group of these A to Z letters collectively, and आपको यह surprising लगेगा कि English language or any other language में only one alphabet होता है. Let's now we move forward. Word is group of more than one letters which has own meaning or sense. Such as Edulit means शिक्षा का प्रकाश. There is an interesting thing to know, guys. Have you any idea, is gaddu name as word or not? No, this is nonsense word, because it has no meaning, and इसे हिंदी में भी गुड्डू ही कहा जाएगा. Let's move towards spelling. What is spelling, guys? Have you any idea? Spelling is a writing style of a word जिसमें letters को एक particular sequence में लिखा जाता है. Let's move for pronunciation, that is speaking style or way of a word or a sentence. Guys, don't write it pronunciation, this is wrong, and इसे pronunciation, sound, ना करके pronunciation, sound, करते हैं. For example, pronunciation of R-O-H-I-T, word, is prohit. So, guys, let's go to next for English language block units. You know, letters make word, word, make clause or sentence, and then, sentences, make paragraph. Guys, in last week discuss about a amazing fact. You know, Hindi meaning of girls is ladki ka. Guess what will the meaning of girls in Hindi? That will be ladkiyon ka. So, Hindi meaning of girls beauty parlor will be ladki ka beauty parlor. And Hindi meaning of girls beauty parlor will be ladkiyon ka beauty parlor. There is an interesting thing in this beauty parlor word. इसे हिंदी लैंग्वेज में महिला मुख काया पलट जादुई केंद्र कहाँ जाता है. This is truth, but nobody habitual for this Hindi word. So lovely guys, that's for today. Bye bye. Take care, stay happy. I will be back soon.